Owning a TVR in the United States is rare to begin with, and even more rare to own one in Arizona. So you can imagine my surprise when I found out there's another TVR owner here in town. Hey guys.
Whoa. Man, I can't believe it.
Hey, how you doing?
Howdy.
My name's Ari. Nice to meet you.
Aaron.
Hey, Aaron. That's my son, Sam. His girlfriend.
Likewise.
Yeah, we just bought this TVR about 3 weeks ago. Guy in Indiana. It's maybe the third owner, and then my son went out there and negotiated it. And he actually wanted to talk to him and make sure that you understand what you're getting, kind of thing. And so
yeah, it's like, I hope you guys don't mind, like, I'm just recording content.
Oh no,
like,
you're all good, man.
If you say, hey, I don't want to be on camera, let me, that's totally fine. Like, but no, I totally get it. It's like, they're interesting.
yeah, they have a lot of character.
Yeah, that character, that's a good way to put it. Actually, I kind of have a personal connection to this car. It's really crazy. The guy who bought it originally in '79 lived in University City, where I'm from. And I mean, the University City's not very big. I mean, how many square miles do you think? Less than
not a big city.
25, like 45
so we've
square
been
miles.
there the entire time.
Yeah, it had been there when I was a kid growing up. So there was a non-zero chance that growing up as a kid, I saw this a quarter mile from my childhood home, down the street from my best friend's house.
That's actually really cool.
Yeah,
it's like total like small world kind of thing.
Exactly, and it's just such a unique car. Only 49 were brought into the U.S.
For the S bodies?
For the 3000S specifically.
Okay,
yeah.
Gotcha. Cause I know they were doing wedges as well for a while.
The Tasman. Actually, I got some correspondence. I should have brought the whole folder. You would have loved it. I got some correspondence. We'll probably meet up again, honestly, between him and the factory. And actually, there's a letter where he asked him, "What about the change of ownership?" It's when Peter Wheeler, who made the Cerbera, bought it. And it's just a lot of little neat anecdotes and stuff in there. Yeah, it was just such a complete history.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Cool car. Yeah, let me pop the hood for you real quick, actually. And hit the battery kill switch because the electric fuel pump's draining. I got it.
Oh, dude, it's like parasitic drain.
Yeah.
Yeah, old cars. Who would have thunk?
Oh yeah.
Especially on these TVRs.
This color is beautiful though.
Yeah, and most of it's original, as you can see, fiberglass.
Oh, I got one of those as well.
Yeah.
A previous owner's wife, she accidentally like hit a part in the rear.
Yeah, you can't avoid it. It had a retouch up right here once the gas leaked out of it. But other than that, it's actually been pretty solid. S6 V6, 3 liter.
So there's only a 3 liter V6, that's interesting.
Well, the thing is though, car weighs about...
What, 24, 22?
Well, I'd say probably about 22, maybe 2,300. And it has 180 pound-feet of torque.
Oh yeah, it's like, it's Miata with a big fat engine.
Yeah, basically, yeah. And it kind of feels like it with less delicate steering.
Yeah, I do have that.
I got an Indy Miata, and I'm rebuilding a Lawn Plus 2.
Oh, that's so fun.
And I might put air conditioning in that one.
See, I love Elons. Like, they're so neat.
Yeah, it's definitely a project that we've got.
Oh gosh, this is great.
Yeah,
your interior looks pretty solid too.
Yeah, all original, which is crazy.
Yeah, I mean that's great condition.
For '79.
Yeah.
It's vinyl.
It was a barn find.
Oh, I see. Mine has vegan leather. This is another way of saying vinyl, naga hide, pick one.
Yeah, right. But I'm gonna have a
See, but look how like, close it sits to the ground when you open it up the clamshell. It's like, holy crap.
Oh yeah, it's similar to I think E-Types, XKE.
Yeah. And it's just not going down as far as like the E-Types. So, wow, that's so cool.
so clean.
Yeah, the only thing...
And the spare tire too, you're just like,
You know,
it's a novel idea, right?
Plus all the documentation and...
The spare tire, this is an interesting fact, when they crash tested it, it was the only car they had crash tested where you could drive it away after doing a 30-mile-per-hour head-on crash for that model year.
Really?
And they thought that was so abnormal. They demanded it to be retested, and they said, take out the front tire. And they said, nope, that's how it is, that's how it's supposed to be, because the front tire dissipates.
Adds that extra, well, it adds that extra.
Little crumple zone.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, I feel like you hit something that's rubber though, it just bing, bounces you off, right? It's like the impact is no matter what, because of the tire pressure is going to bounce you back.
What's really interesting, so this is obviously it's a manual latch up top, and then it says button snaps.
Yeah, the roof is actually off of a Jensen.
I thought you guys were going to rock it top down on the way here.
Oh, too much sun.
It's like driving in a blow. It's driving in a blow dryer. Like
it's like a blow dryer, but except you're in the sun.
Right.
So this is cool. This is really cool. So I'm just blown away how clean it is.
Yeah. And almost all original. The alternator, starter gear is different, but original ignition system, still the Lucas on there.
Wow.
I think it's a new coil. But
That's a tiny little V6 though. It looks.
yeah, and it kind of looks like a 289 that you kind of cut the front off of and shrunk down in Photoshop.
Yeah, I mean,
Back up real quick. Hopefully I can still get a picture.
Yeah.
My phone almost dead.
so 3 liter.
Yeah, the way it kind of drives is it's like a mini 289 Cobra with way less tire. So you're just he kind of gunned it out making a right on the way here, and I followed him. I got a little power slide going in first, and it's just easy to catch. You know what I'm saying? Just a real just.
And I've got 19 with the 28.
Oh yeah.
You got those like huge 325, 345, whatever.
Well, I was actually just yesterday. I went out to a friend. He's got a Mark II, like 2001 Dodge Viper.
Oh yeah, those are crazy.
And so I'm like, just look at the back tire, and it's like steamrollers. But this footprint, like with the Cerbera, it's kind of trippy because this Cerbera's only an inch and a half narrower than the Viper,
Really?
but it doesn't look it.
It looks like a much smaller car, like than a Viper. You know, it looks long, of course, but you know, Vipers always look wide.
Yeah, I mean, but it's the same foot. It's
You got the electrical thing going too, huh?
Do you know the name of the color on this one?
yeah, it's called Star Mist Chianti.
Wow.
So it's actually in the dark like this. You don't see it as well in daylight. It's basically
It's like a purple, huh?
it's a bass boat metallic one. Yeah. So here, come on around.
Keeping it clean, man. This thing is super minty.
Yeah, this is just.
So go ahead and have a. And the seat's already back. So go ahead and show your dad your party trick.
Oh,
There
wow.
it goes.
That's so slick. That
That is,
cockpit.
that's sick.
Yeah. So go ahead and hop
Oh,
in.
wow. Check out the inside.
I
So-
know, that
Wow, that's
cockpit's-
like, it's like
I gotta
a
tell you.
straight up like a race car.
This is
Strange.
how many years of wish
Baller,
fulfillment?
dude.
I think Forza Horizon. No, not Horizon. Forza 2
Yeah.
for the first one on the 360.
Is this stock?
That is OEM. That is all OEM. The
Wow.
interior.
Amazing.
Crazy.
This is just, and you see why this is one of my dream cars, like attainable dream cars.
wow.
The offset pedals.
They're actually pretty centered, all things considered. But there's no dead pedal.
Yes, that's the same
So,
one.
but in order, but you see, like, it's like a hand. It's like
Wow.
the view.
Yeah.
It's like driving a chop top.
You
Oh,
got
that's crazy.
Well, this is roll cage all through here, right?
Yeah. So
What's the gearbox?
it's a Tremec T5. So it's
Oh,
a,
wow.
shit.
It's traffic like mine on my Corvette.
yeah.
I
Oh,
got
crazy.
Man.
crazy.
So it shifts great. I
Oh,
mean,
yeah. I love my Tramic too.
So if you scoot the seat up, it's like it's right between your
The
legs.
seat goes back so far.
Well, Peter Wheeler wanted every single car during his era to fit him, and he was 6'4".
Oh, wow.
oh, actually, the clutch is
Not bad.
not bad. People are like, it's so heavy.
No. My Mazda is more stiff.
The 3000S is almost twice as stiff as this. I mean, it's like you're pushing. There's no hydraulic or nothing.
But yeah, it's all.
Absolutely unbelievable. And it smells like they
It
say.
smells like a fiberglass car.
I love the rear seats too. It's like the Super. They're so unusable.
Oh, yeah.
Unless you
Are
have
there
a
rear
2 or
seats in
3
here?
year old.
Oh, wow. I didn't see that.
If
Yeah.
you have a 3-year-old, then maybe. But aside from that, it's like.
Well, here's the thing. So let me go ahead and close the door. So it fits like okay, you got lengthwise, like a tall person can fit. But here's the problem: when you close the door,
Oh, right next to the door.
yeah, you're like right there. in-
Oh, wow. It almost like contacts you there.
Yeah.
Your shoulder.
Wow.
Crazy.
I'm not like super big, but like
Yeah,
this
it is like
narrow.
your door, your shoulder is in the door.
So it's a
door.
real sort of cockpit experience.
Oh yeah. And to start the car, so go ahead and make sure it's obviously neutral. Okay.
Oh, whoa, that's.
It feels solid. Now go ahead and so the key is underneath, like by the so turn it to the right. So push in and turn the right.
Turn to the right. All right, that's the
Okay.
fuel pump.
Okay, it's ready. All right, make sure it's loud. So just hold the black button.
Jesus Christ! That's what I want in my life. I love crazy cars. I'm a lunatic. If you do plan on ever selling this car, I should give you my number. I'm serious.
A few minutes later. later.
Okay, so we're back. So, Sam, okay, what's your impressions? Tell the world what you really think.
The Cerbera, every rumor you heard, the Jeremy Clarkson videos where he uses all the hyperbole, it's real. The car is as crazy, as fast, and as raw as everyone says it is. It's a real TVR through and through. That is a serious car, man. Great purchase.
So now we actually have more TVRs in Arizona. So sorry to the folks in England. We want your cars over here. So we never got them. So we're gonna start bringing more over, whether you like it or not.
It's what you can't have, you know?
Yep. All right, so
all right, man.
Thanks again.
Thank you. Take care.